In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add money to your Uber Wallet account. If you've ever wanted to make your Uber and Uber Eats experiences a bit more seamless, adding funds to your Uber Wallet is a great way to improve your process. This lets you pay easily and can help you manage your spending better. So let's begin by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to Uber Eats' official website. On your homepage, if you're using a desktop, look to the top left corner. You'll notice a little icon that resembles a traditional hamburger, which is just a fun name for a button that looks like three horizontal lines stacked together. This button is your gateway to the menu, and it's where you'll find all the important settings and features tied to your account. Go ahead and click on this hamburger icon to open up the menu options. Once inside the menu, scan the list until you find the option labeled Wallet. Clicking on Wallet will take you to a section where you can deal with your account's financial details. Here, you'll see your current Uber Wallet balance. If you've used Uber Wallet before, this number might be familiar to you. If not, you'll likely see that your balance is at zero, and that's okay because we're here to change that. Before you can add funds, you need to ensure you've linked a payment method to your account. This could be a debit card, credit card, or other accepted payment options available in your region. Adding a payment method is crucial because it's where the funds will originate. If you haven't yet set this up, now is the time to get it done. Usually, the system will prompt you with easy-to-follow instructions, such as entering your card details and confirming through any additional security steps that might be necessary, ensuring that your financial information is secure. Once you have a payment method in place, you'll be able to transfer funds to your Uber wallet. To do this, find the Add Funds button or similar prompt within the wallet page. Clicking this will guide you through the process of choosing the amount you wish to deposit. You can typically transfer any amount, but it's wise to consider how frequently you use Uber services to decide on a practical figure that fits your needs and budget. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've now learned how to add money to your Uber wallet. Keep this balance in mind the next time you request a ride or order some takeout. Utilizing your Uber wallet not only streamlines the payment process, but can also help keep track of your expenses over time. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more seamless Uber experience.